we are in a video and I will show my cat, Nina, and say hello to Nina. Nina, look at him, like an angel. He always sleeps a lot. He always so kind and he likes. And you better like and subscribe so you can see part 2 with Nina. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.